love my bedroom area because you do have a lot of space. Down here you have 2 compartments, which for me personally, I like to store my clothes seasonally, like for summer, winter, fall. So down here I'll put like pajamas or t-shirts, pretty much stuff that I don't really wear during the cold season because I actually am from Arizona and I recently just moved to New York for school to LIM college. So I'm just going through my fall clothing right now for the colder weather. And then down here you get 2 extra little compartments. So what I do is I store my extra stuff down here, so that could be like my hats or my sandals that I'm not going to wear for the season. And then here I added my own rug because the whole entire floor is tile. So what I did is when I wake up in the morning, I could just step on it and you're really cozy. Here is my whole entire bed. This is how it looks from this view. So it is pretty spacious, which I like because I move around a lot in the sleep. And then you have your wall. I'm still uploading like posters and trying to put stuff up, but if you are in a dorm room, then you have to consider that you cannot use any thumbtacks or put any nails in the wall. So you could stick to things that just stick on, or tape. I use tape right now for any paper posters. On the side right here, it's pretty much just like your little border, and I just have my cute little pillow and my little K light up and my purse, bags that I could just grab and go. Just personalize anything you want up here, which I like because when I get back it kind of reminds me of home, so I don't feel that homesick, and I think it's cool. You can put honestly whatever you want. Pictures, you could put headphones. I store headphones right here for when I go to sleep or when I'm gonna go work out. I just grab them so I can leave. And yeah, this is pretty much my bed area. So this area right here is where I have my shelf, and I have all of my drinks and food right here. So basically this is like a build your own shelf that I got from Target, and you can use any crate that you want, but I definitely suggest having this because it takes up a lot less space and you can put more things on here. So what I have is just like snacks like fruit and cookies and fruit snacks, chips. I also have my pots down here because I could store a lot. And then water, soda. You can pretty much have anything you want, anything that you want out of the way, because you don't want to leave anything out because you want to have your room nice and clean, and also your room can get messy very fast in a small space. A suitcase to put right in between my desk area and the crate. And then I also have this fold-in box for all my makeup, so I'll have my makeup bag here so I could just get it and sit for in the morning to just do my makeup, and then all my palettes are in here as well. And moving right next door is my desk area. You have 3 little drawers and then 1 big drawer. So all of this is just fully my school stuff because I do all of my schoolwork in here. So this is just like my textbook, and then so here I just have magazines, things that will inspire me, Vogue, Elle, and whatever's pretty much in for the season. And then I also keep my laptop on my desk at all times, because when I do homework, I won't be tempted to go on my bed and then like watch YouTube or Netflix. So I have to have it here when I know I have to do schoolwork for the day. And then I have my little lamp here, so I'll just turn it on if it's late at night and my roommate is sleeping. I'll just put it on and face the light on me so I can do any homework or do anything I want in my desk area. And then up here is another little border that you have. Also things up here that are personal to me or remind me of home. So I'll just have my Polaroid if I want to take pictures, my LIM little Statue of Liberty, which is so cute, my LIM banner. Side, I have all my lotions and perfume because before I head out the door for school, I just like to grab it and then I'll just spray it on me. And this is my closet. So up here I have my laundry basket. I put everything that I don't want pretty much in the way up here. And then here is just my scarves and then my big parka for when the winter really comes, because your girl has to be prepared. So then at this area right here, I have these little stick-on hangers. So I put all of my bags right here, pretty much bags that I wear daily. So it's just very convenient. But they're the stick-on ones, so you just click this thing out and then it'll all fall. So yeah, you have to be mindful when you want to have things hung. You can't have anything that will damage the wall. And then this is where right now I I'm a seasonal hanger closet person, so I'll have all my jackets right here, sweaters, and this is just another compartment where I have all my sweaters. So they're all stacked right here, and then all my jackets are just there. And this is the full view of it. So down here you get 4 shelves, and these are for my shoes. So these are going to be my workout shoes, my sneakers, and then boots. I also have boots right here because they're really like the thigh-high ones. And then here's just an extra bag for when I go traveling as a carry-on. And then I also had extra space, so I put like my chip box down here, my peaches can. I don't put anything packaged. I just put things that are canned or things that can be closed so it stays clean. And then this is just my can box that goes to that, and then another jacket right here, and then a sweater. And yeah, so pretty much this one for me is just like extra space if I need it, which is very convenient because it is pretty big and narrow. So if you want to have all your shoes in there, stick an extra shelf, that'll be good. Anything you want. So this is pretty much the closet. Then this area is the fridge and microwave. So in here is the top is the freezer, which we don't really have anything in there but me. I have like 1 pint of ice cream, which I still need to eat. And then in here is just the fridge. And then up here is going to be the microwave. I have my tea because tea is the way of life. And then just cups and plates. So any kitchen thing really will store up here. So bowls, things that we want for when we eat. And over here is the bathroom. So my bed is close to the bathroom, and then the other side is my roommate. So this is going to be the shower. Then our mirror right here, which actually folds open. So if you want to put like any face wash, skincare, anything you want in there that you need for the morning, you can just go. This is our little sink area. We have a basket on top of this for any towels that we need to dry our hands or soap. The toilet, of course. And then we also have a little rug here for when we step out the shower. And then a little trash can. This was all of my side. So if you want to see more videos of me, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see anything regarding LIM or Q&As, then leave some comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.